to poke your butthole.
Oh no. Sorry, we don't want. Lonely.
Well, I actually want to suck your brain.
So long. Anyways, wait. There's someone again! You know what?
That guy's a normal.
Just go laugh about it, man. Wait, I have to check the camera. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Soda! It actually did need soda!
Which?
You predictor. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot. He's the same guy. Bro, this proves how slow we are. Anyways. Oh, I thought another one of these hiders of the game spawned. Burger and soda, burger and soda, burger and soda, burger and soda.
Again, burger. Absolute predictor of the world, Rian.
Oh,
You're not a real predictor. Could I get an energy drink?
Yes.
I have 60, you have 62. I'll go in with you.
Oh no. Please don't.
Did you check the cameras?
Trust me, I did. Trust me, that's not a good guy.
Bat him. I will bat him.
Oh, wait.
Then let's watch him in the camera.
Oh, see in the camera. Oh, he has tentacles.
Okay, you
like a milkshake, okay.
I did that we was shown so they ran.
That's a suspicious holy rephrasing.
Why?
Someone said that is suspicious, but it's rephrased. Roblox rephrases messages that break safety rules. Sonia.
What? Can I see?
This. Anyways, nibble your food. Cause someone is here. Yeah, he good.
Who wants energy pop? You want soda?
How many do you have? 66, okay. I need soda. Oh no, there's an angry customer! Oh, he wants the white pack, anyways, I think I have to chillax.
Oh, then calm down.
Check the cameras, okay.
Does he look normal? Yeah, he does.
No, you check the other cameras too. Let me see if soda works for you. What? Oh no.
Why?
Soda didn't work this time.
For who?
The table monster. So I need soda, soda pop soda again.
Pop soda's almost ready.
So now, lesson learned. You have to feed entity.
Yeah, let me do it. Let me handle that.
Feed it a burger. It loves burger. Anyways, why is it tired here? But in animal hospital is job stress. Wait, what is it again?
Bro, he disappeared. Where's he?
Oh, don't. So, it's supposed. No. Oh, they didn't go.
French fries.
I'll get it. I would like French fries too, bro. Stop stealing my orders.
I also like French fries.
Ooh, 6. Amazing. Thank you. Now I have so many. Now I got 12 plus 12 animal burger cats.
Stop.
Huh?
And I got refreshing ice cream, I guess.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, I have 90 now. You could drink soda. Did you check the camera?
Yes.
There's a slow patient going in. Please serve.
Let me see first. You check his face. Excuse me. His face is normal like that? Yeah. Okay, go serve him while I feed him. That you think? You would like that? What's that? What's that? Hey! Hey, yo! Burger,
Why?
ice cream.
Why, Coco?
Because this unexplainable thing happened.
Are you got any glitch?
No. Oh no, there's an angry customer.
And there's a normal.
Oh no!
There's a poo near it.
You do the food. I'll lure him.
No, I'm too scared. I'll go up.
Oh no, so I have to handle this now. Ugh. Okay, he just needed an ice cream. That was close.
Would you look like in the camera? Why you have tentacles?
And his smile doesn't look good. Oh, bro, another anomaly.
I want to bat.
Oh, you want to bat? Okay. Deal with him. You go deal with him. Let's see. He has tentacles, actually.
What will they look? What will they do when we let them in?
I do not know.
Please, I want a video. I want a video. Can you do a video or else I'll be your next customer?
Okay, here's the thing. I'll test it.
Oh, it's dangerous.
I'll handle it.
Let's wait.
I think it's like Animal Hospital. You give it the wrong thing instead.
And they can leave.
Huh?
I'm going to tell you something. Actually use the bat. When the bat is done, we test it, okay?
Okay. Fries, ice cream. We'll do this fast since we're low battery.
Okay. He has tentacles.
What? There's tentacles?
Our bag is prepared.
Yes, let's go.
Coffee. I have a tip.
Let me try giving him the wrong thing. Should I?
Yeah. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Get the bat. Or are we to stand? Oh no. Are we cooked? Just get a bat and knock them down. I'm actually super scared. Don't test this, guys.
Never test this. Oh, this is an anomaly.
Doodle. Go to cat.
Huh?
I'm the customer, okay?
Okay.
I am here for my appointment. Is it okay? Check camera 1 first. Then check camera 2. Then check camera 3.
I already checked everything.
Check first. Camera 3. The camera 2. If you move, you're cooked.
You have to be patient, brother.
What does he look like?
He is normal.
On his cameras.
Yes. Wait, I'm locking in with this one. Just kidding. Sakating. Oh, I fell. Don't. Dude. What do you think? Oh, what is that? Oh, fries. Okay. Never get touched by that anomaly.
I'll use the bat.
Bro. Yeah, we're real cooked.
Why?
Yeah. One bad review and we're cooked.
Why?
Because then we would die.
Why they bad review?
Because after you gave him the wrong thing. Hello. Bonjour. Buenos dias. Nah, I do need my pop now.
What?
I do need my soda pop now. Oh no.
Oh no!
I got touched by that thing again.
Well, and that disappears when you go a bit far.
Like a hider.
Look, wait.
I'll do it.
Guys. Soda. Hamburger. Hamburger soda.
Hamburger soda.
Yummy.
Burger. I see an anomaly.
No. This is actually the fastest way. Just do this. And if this is your patient, right?
Oh, nah. Or you can bat it if you want.
Why?
If you want.
Normal.
Check his smile, bro.
Uh-oh. Let's test the experiment again. Because there's another anomaly again.
Okay. Oh no, that thing again. That horrendous thing.
Go in here, go in here, go in here. Jump, jump, jump. See? He disappeared?
Yes.
Wrong code, I guess.
Let's see if
Oh, our Baslo ready.
let's see if we give him the right. Something is wrong.
We cooked. If he chases us, we gotta go on top of here. Is he allergic?
Nothing happened.
Are you sure?
I guess.
Go near him, Dan.
Oh no.
Where's his teeth, bro?
That's what happens when you let an anomaly. Right.
You actually don't need to go in. If you have to close this one, you could just go here. But easier. I made your shift even easier. You'll need. Wait, all of them are drinks. Need drinks. Oh, he needs drinks. I'll get him the drinks.
Find me.
Here? What's that black line?
Find me again. Oh no, terrible.
Can we leave now?
Sure. Sure.
It was made actually because I like it. Was this inspired by?
Animal Hospital, and it was made in July 4, 2020.
Where do you see the
July 4, 2026. W America.
was inspired?
It doesn't say so, but I know it's inspired by animals. Anyways, who even is that? He's not wearing a mask. Also, what happened to the head nurse? Anyways, you know what? Just watch me paint flags.
Watch this funny guy.
Wait, you want to play? I want to play paint flags or so. Okay, I'll join Leanne.
Public.
What? Just what? Ow. Ow.
God, there's so many.
Why is this? Yes, there is so many beauties. Skip.
If people could actually find out easily.
Click multiplayer. Okay, click multiplayer game. This is how you walk so silly.
Remarkably, all were saved, though 4 people were injured in one way or another. Los Angeles, where any rain melted, down. Some parts of town. Scores of cars were soon trapped. Their occupants stranded on the road.
Logo, you killed?
Nothing around that. And they were lucky actually that they had a tree to climb up. Almost.
You good?
I think he's not good. I think we need to join another server. This server not good. Not sure. Let's go.
Oh, never mind.
Let me see. Let me find server.
Never mind. We're gonna end the video.
Bye.